Hey guys, it's me being Tori. Come join me and my boyfriend on this beautiful hike at Sturtevant Falls in Arcadia, California. It was a gorgeous, beautiful day on Saturday right before Easter and my birthday with all this beautiful nature around you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment down below. It will really help my channel grow. So comment down below and tell me what's one of your favorite hiking spots. So please continue watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share. Hi you guys, it's me being Tori. I'm out here in beautiful sunny California. Me and my boyfriend are on a hike for my birthday weekend and we're just enjoying this beautiful scenery. Comment down below if you think the scenery is beautiful. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. So you guys, let's continue hiking. Let's go. Okay guys, some more outlook here. This, if you look really close and you zoom in, you can see some water, a little river right there. So let's continue hiking. Record though. You want to put your water bottle in my backpack?
No.
Yeah, I do sound like I have a cold or something.
It's amazing what science is. Sounds like you have a science.
I think there was a sinus in my brain when I get the first tumor. Not only being surrounded by nature was like one of my favorite parts about this hike, but another one of my favorite parts is like so many people out there being active and enjoying the sun. And as we were on our trail, we met like so many friendly people. If you continue watching, there's a little video of this guy who had these hiking sticks and he saw me struggling and he offered me his hiking sticks, and I was like, that was just so beautiful. So also I was like, go California, yes, be active.
top of the falls right here.
How you supposed to cross?
Like this.
Okay, you guys, me and Tori, we finally made it to the end. Let me show you why it's worth it. This hike. And then you have the beautiful falls. And here are my wet shoes. My shoes are still wet. My baby. Oh. Oh, this water. Oh. Is this man-made or human-made? Oh, you got a good one. Hey guys, we are finished. We are done. I'm tired, but I'm giving thanks on this beautiful Saturday, and I wish everybody a happy Easter. And you guys, get those steps in, move that body, move your heart, and keep on going. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.